In this video, we will be looking at how to insert a disc into Xbox Series S. So let's jump straight into it. So on the Xbox Series S, is it possible to insert a disc? The answer is no. So you can see here, I've actually got my console just over here. Now on this console, what I'm going to do is just go a bit closer to the console. And you can see there's not actually a disc drive on the Xbox Series S. And that's because the console itself is a digital console. So what that means is all the games and apps and things like that you play have to be downloaded as digital titles. You can't actually insert physical discs into the console. Now the Xbox Series X does have a disc drive, as you can see on screen here. Here is a picture of the Xbox Series X, and as you can see there is a disc drive. The Xbox Series S is of course a lot cheaper than the Series X. However, the compensation for this is you don't have the option to insert discs. Even if you try to plug in like an external Blu-ray disc drive or something like that, which is something I have actually tried, you will find that even though you can do this, when you try to insert a disc into the external drive, the Xbox Series S is not going to read this. So I hope this quick tutorial did clear things up for you, and with that being said, if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.